Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show you how to remove and replace front door lock switch guys, central locking switch on Ford Edge or Lincoln MKX first generation guys. Both vehicles share the same platform and that part will be identical guys for both of them. The procedure should apply to both of them. Quick introduction guys, every single car we get at the shop, including this generation of Ford Edge guys, we make at least 200 videos. Why guys? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, that's all we need in return. In addition, if you want to save even more on car parts and tools, check out guys the link in the description of the video below and you can see what place we use to get our parts and tools guys. So now this is a 2009 Ford Edge that we'll be working on, and let me show you which switch we're talking about. We're demonstrating on the front left door, but the front right will be exactly the same way as well guys. Okay, this one right here. So stay with us and we'll show you what needs to be done now. So now guys, we need to get a small screwdriver, and right here there is one cap that we'll need to actually pry open. Under that cap there is one screw guys with a fuel head screwdriver. Go ahead and remove that screw. Okay, you can see it got loose. Now don't drop the screw guys. Okay, right there, perfect. What else we need to do guys? We need to get a plastic panel remover tool, and we need to try, okay, to actually pry that thing out. Okay, it's coming out, you can see, just like that. Now we have to disconnect guys, okay, the wires. Okay, that is for the door lock switch, central locking switch. Right here you press in and pull it out. Okay, you can see just like that. Okay, now this is guys the switch right here. We have 40 that we need to press out, 2 on each side, excuse me. And the switch guys comes out just like that. You can see, not very complicated procedure guys. If you need to get a replacement one, we'll have the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can get it from. Now the same procedure we will apply to the front right side guys. It's identical switch, identical procedure, just like the left side. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure it out. Also guys, if you have if you need help with anything on your Ford Edge guys, drop a comment below and we'll try to make a video for your problem when we have a chance guys. That way we'll get more ideas for videos and we'll be able to solve your problem too. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. If you have any recommendations, leave a comment in the comment section guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.